We are making Paneer Aloo in coconut gravy. It's something different yet simple. The coconut adds a richness to the gravy and enhances the flavor. The curry turns out delicious. You'll be able to make any meal special with this one. You want easy, tried and tested recipes? Then do subscribe to my channel. Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Fry a handful of thinly sliced coconut in oil till they get a light color. Fry a cup of sliced onion till they turn light brown in color. Take a mixer jar and add in a sliced tomato, large one, an inch of ginger chopped into small bits, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, green chili according to your taste. Make sure that the coconut and onion have cooled down completely and add them into the jar as well. Grind it to a fine paste. Add a little water if required. This is 250 grams of paneer cut into half-inch cubes roughly. You could cut them bigger. I'll just marinate them with a bit of Dhaniya powder, that is coriander powder, and a tiny bit of garam masala powder and a large pinch of salt. You could just have the paneer plain, no need for marination, that also works fine. So let's just marinate it and keep it aside. Heat a tiny bit of ghee or clarified butter. Add in the marinated paneer. If you are marinating them, you could always add them plain. Cook them for a minute or two, tossing them up lightly. Take them out and keep them aside. In the same pan, add in about 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. While the oil is heating up, take a look at the mess, all for shooting the recipe. The oil is smoking hot. I'll temper it with a large pinch of cumin seeds, Jeera, and add in chopped potatoes. Cook for a couple of minutes, stirring continuously. Season the potatoes with salt, that will help them cook faster. Give it a mix. Lower the heat to medium. Cover and cook for 3 minutes. That has been cooking for 3 minutes now, and I did stir it once in between. The potatoes are almost done. Let's add in the prepared paste. And cook it till the oil starts to float on top. The oil has started to float on top. Let's add in 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder, Haldi, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, Dhaniya, 1/3 teaspoon of cumin powder, Jeera, 1/3 teaspoon of Chaat Masala powder, 1/4 to 1/3 teaspoon of Kashmiri Red Chili powder, and a large pinch of Kasuri Methi. Mix well and cook for a minute, keeping the heat on medium. If you like this recipe, share it with your friends, and when you try it, do let me know. Wash the mixer jar with a bit of water and pour it in. Pour in some more water. Adjust the gravy according to your need. Mix well. Bring to the boil. Check the seasoning and adjust it. That has been boiling away for 2 minutes now. And the gravy looks good and smells yum. Time to add in the paneer. Just let the paneer cook in the gravy for a minute. Finish it off by adding a green chili and about a teaspoon of ghee or clarified butter. Turn off the heat. Place the lid back. Leave it for 2 minutes before you serve. Sprinkle some garam masala on top. Garnish with sliced coconut for fun. Serve the delicious Paneer Aloo in coconut gravy with rice, roti or paratha and enjoy.